Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at these Samsung Galaxy Buds. I've been excited for these, waiting so long for these ever since I saw the leaks and heard the rumors, and now they are finally here. These are the white versions. On the side of the box kind of gives you a little bit of the specs. It's got 6 hours of playtime plus 7 hours with charging case, clear call and sound quality, wireless charging, and it is designed for comfort and stability. Then around the back of the box, you still got the name, Samsung Galaxy Buds, true wireless earbuds, 6 hours of playtime, Bluetooth, sound by AKG, so you already know these are going to sound great. The package contains earbud left and right, charging case, wingtip 3 sets, earbud tip 3 sets, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. So let me go ahead and open up the box so we can take a look at them. All right, so I got the box opened up. Now let's see what this is first. You got a little box right here. This looks like it could be the charging cable. And yes, we got the charging cable in there, extra earbuds, the wing tips. So that's all that important stuff that you need to charge these things if you're not gonna go wireless charging. So go ahead and set that to the side. And then right here we have the case for the earbuds with the earbuds themselves inside. So you can see right there, Samsung sound by AKG. Excuse the lighting, I know it's a bit bright right now. Let me open this up. Whoa. Look at that. These are nice. They got a nice gray, light gray color inside. Got the earbuds right there. Oh my gosh, these look really nice. Look at that. All right, so I got them both out right here, left and right. And the first thing you'll notice is the microphone on the outside for when you're on a phone call. But not only is there a mic on the outside, but you also have a mic on the inside as well. So call quality is going to be great. They should be able to hear you really good. I can try them out in a little bit, do a test call, see how well the other person can hear me. But look at the color. The color looks nice. You got the white with the gray. So I'm going to set them up with my Galaxy S10 Plus and see how easy it is to connect them. So check this out. Look how easy it is to connect these to your device. So I got the earbuds inside the case right now. As soon as you open up the case, the phone is going to detect that they are nearby via Bluetooth. So watch this. Look how quick this is. I'm going to open them up, set them to the side. Boom. A new device has been detected. So I'm going to go ahead and press connect. Allow Galaxy Wearable to access this device location. Go ahead and allow, and one more allow. Let that set up real quick. Allow Galaxy Buds to access your contacts. Yes, of course. So you can actually receive notifications with your earbuds. You can see here, manage notifications on your Galaxy Buds. You got an alarm, email, incoming call. You can basically set up an alert for any app that you have on your phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as it is. Press next. Get to know your Galaxy Buds. Use touchpad. So yes, these do have a touchpad on them to either pause the music or start the music. So it shows you right here, tap to play or pause. You also got an ambient sound mode. Ambient sound, turn on to amplify sounds from your surroundings so you can stay aware of what's going on around you. You can also set ambient sound to make voices stand out more clearly than other sounds. So it can kind of relate to a hearing aid as far as being able to hear things around you more clearly than other sounds, especially voices when people are talking to you. Now you got quick ambient sound. Touch and hold your earbud touchpad to turn down media volume and turn up ambient sound temporarily. Now pairing with the phone or tablet. If you've already paired your earbuds with the phone or tablet, just open the charging case to connect them again. So you don't always have to press connect. It will automatically connect for you as soon as you open up the case. Now you can charge these with your phone, which I will show you guys in a little bit. Since it does support wireless charging, which is amazing, this Galaxy S10 Plus right here has reverse wireless charging. So you can basically charge anything that supports wireless charging with this phone. It is cool. They were showing us at Unpacked event. I got to try it out. I haven't tried it out yet with my own device, but I'm going to try it out with these in a bit for you guys so you guys can check that out. Now let me go ahead and just press finish here. As you can see, it is syncing up. Oh, you are all set. All right. So you can disconnect from the earbuds if you want, and you can control your earbuds straight from this app. Software update. Software for your earbuds needs to be updated. Once the update is complete, your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and update these, and then we'll go ahead and try them out. All right, so the update is complete, and as you can see, the app will actually tell you what percentage your earbuds are at. So we got 85% on each side for them. You got an equalizer here. You can change it if you want some bass boost, if you want more of a softer sound, dynamic, clear, treble boost. You can manage your notifications, teach you how to use the touchpad. You can turn ambient sound on or off if you don't want to be touching your earbuds. You can do it straight from the app. And you also have a Find My Earbuds right there as well. So let's go ahead and throw some music on. First, real quick, let's check out the wireless charging from the phone to the earbuds. So all you got to do, pull down the notification bar right here, wireless power share. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. And as you can see, put the center of your phone back to back with another device, obviously a device that supports wireless charging. So let me ahead and put this down, and you'll be able to hear a sound. You'll know when these start charging. Here we go. You hear that? So that's how you get the wireless charging from the phone to the earbuds. Say they are charging right now. So that is a pretty cool feature. And it even shows a little light right here so you know they are charging. You got that red light down there. So that is an awesome feature. If you don't have your charger with you, your phone has a full enough battery to be able to charge your earbuds on the go. That is just a really cool feature that Samsung added to this Galaxy S10 device to be able to charge your earbuds or any other device at that. But let's go ahead and check out the sound quality of this and see how good they sound. All right, so I got the earbuds on right now. I'm going to play some no copyright music. Obviously, you guys can't hear it, but I'm going to let you know my experience with the earbuds. And before I start playing this music, I got to say the noise cancellation on these, it probably sounds like I am yelling right now, because the noise cancellation on these earbuds is just wow. It really cancels out a lot of the outside sound. So it probably sounds like I'm yelling right now because I cannot hear myself. But let me go ahead and play some music here, playing it. And they actually sound really, really good. Let me turn the volume up. Let's see how loud they go. Whoa. They get really, really loud. I'm going to turn this down because they do get a bit loud. Sound quality is great. The bass is just perfect. It's not too much bass. It's right there enough to where you can hear it and feel a little bit. But once you get the volume going a bit up, you can feel the bass a little bit more. But the overall sound quality is just clear and crisp. It has a nice clean sound to it. I'm loving these things. I'm going to be using these all the time for sure. All right, so I am really impressed with the sound quality of these earbuds. They sound really, really good. No complaints here at all. I even made a phone call just a while ago, and the person on the other side said they were able to hear me clear without any muffling or anything like that, because this does have two mics. So if it can't really get the sound from the outside, it will take the sound from the inside of your ear as well, and the sound just comes out clear. They said I sounded really good. So no complaints there either. I am really, really happy with these, and I think anybody who gets them is going to be very satisfied, not disappointed at all. I'm loving the sound quality. These are going to be my go-to earbuds from now on, day in and day out. So as the boy Flossie Carter would say, these are a major, major go. Huge thumbs up for me. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up on it if you did find it at any way helpful. Like I said, I'm really loving these. I can't wait to use them again. I'm going to be using them my whole flight home. But yeah, you guys leave a thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.